Hi everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how you can tell when is the correct time to pinch your nails. And these are acrylic nails here. These nails here were the base or platform for my Christmas nails that I did. And you will see the Christmas nails here. If you want to see how those are done, look up in the right corner and you'll see a little eye. Click on that or look in the description box below. I will be using Tone's glass acrylic to create the base or platform. When I create this base or platform or any acrylic nail, I am not a totally 3-ball method person. I try to stick to a 3-ball method, but if I need other balls of acrylic, I'm certainly going to use them. So yeah, don't feel like you're not good enough at nails, acrylic nails, because you have to use more than 3 balls of acrylic. It's no big deal. While you watch this video, this part here where I create the platform, I want to talk a little bit about pinching nails and when the proper time to pinch a nail is. And the proper time to pinch a nail is when the acrylic warms up, and that is when it's starting to polymerize to cure. And it should be like feeling warm and then dry completely, not sticky to the touch or anything. And then that would be the time that you would want to pinch the nail. So there is acrylics that are slower set and quicker set. So an acrylic will set up anywhere from 30 seconds to 2 minutes to take to set, to become warm and start curing. But once the acrylic has cured all the way, there's just no way to shape it. You know, it's cured hard, so there's really no sense in pinching it once it turns hard. So that means when you are creating your nail, if you're going to do the acrylic nail this way and make a platform, then you want to pinch that platform first before you go on and add everything else, because this platform will cure and will cure rock hard, remember? So get the platform pinched and then go ahead and add the additional elements or things that you want over the top and then encapsulate it. Or if you can also create nails with glitter acrylic or colored acrylic, and you can just create the full nail right there with that acrylic, that glitter acrylic or that colored acrylic. But when you first lay down the nail, the basic nail, you know, with the acrylic or that's colored or glitter, you have to pay attention, because once you get that down, it's gonna start curing on you. And so you may have to work fast so that, you know, you get the acrylic down or the colored acrylic down, and then you quickly encapsulate it with the clear and then wait for it to warm. Because underneath that encapsulation clear, that will be curing the bottom part of the nail, right? So I hope I explained that well enough for you. So, because it's really hard to pinch a nail once it's totally cured. I mean, you can dip it in boiling hot water. I've done that. That's just the tip part if the nail is long, but it's dangerous and you have to be very careful. What I want to demonstrate to you is how you know if an acrylic tip is dry or not and completely cured. In other words, you can hear the sound, like you can listen. It's like a thud. That's a thud, right? A dull thud, not a clicking sound. That is not dry yet. That is not dry yet. And another way for you to learn how to know when it's a correct time to pinch the nail is when the acrylic warms up, and that means it's polymerizing, it's curing, it's in the process. And wherever you place the first beads of acrylic, that's where it's going to start to cure first. You will be able to feel it being warm, and you'll know when the time is to pinch. And I know this sounds crazy, but I take the nail, the finger, and I put it up under my nose, just above my upper lip, and I can feel the warmth, and then I know it's time to pinch that nail. Feel the warmth, and you can know that it's not sticky, and then you can start pinching. If there's any kind of stickiness, it is not ready. And I always just use my fingers to do this. I don't use any tools or anything. It's still not cured all the way. You hear that dry thud? See, hear that difference? It's curing at the tip. And yeah, it's warm. Time to just pinch away. You can just hold it. It'll give you that very slim look. It takes time, but if you want that very slender look, you'll take the time to do it. And I apologize right now, my cuticles are looking very dry and they need oil, but I cannot put oil on when I'm doing nails, because you don't want that oil on the nail. And now you can hear the difference. Do you hear that? That is not a thud, that's a clicking. It's completely dry now. But yeah. And this is a very thin platform of a nail, so you have to be very careful if you want to shape it up and file it, that you don't break it, okay? So I will shape it up and file it before I go and put the rest of the design on, okay? Because you'll want to file that, and of course file this. And that's the end of the video. Thank you all so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.